look at Amara's new shirt. Let's see, let me get back. What?
Why did you just say my name?
Why not? That's it, look at Amara's new shirt.
If you do that, I'll give you a special surprise.
What up, yo? B-STEEZY and the Heezy. And Amara's in the back. And she's sporting her new shirt. We see it? You can see a little bit. Yeah, you'll have to show it a little better once we get going.
New shirt that me and my dad made.
Yeah, she got a couple shirts that she designed.
Yep, they haven't.
So we'll have to show those to you. Actually, we'll just flip them in right here.
We got two shirts that
Three.
are mine.
Three.
Three.
Because you got the third one on now.
Yeah, but I haven't weared the. Oh yeah, I actually have.
Yeah, she hasn't wore all three of them yet. I think she wore this one and then another one. But yeah, we took some pictures of it. Like I said, you should have just saw them when we flipped them in. But we're actually about to head to the car wash. Today we're going to go to the store. Easter's coming up.
Yep.
So we're going to
Grab some Easter stuff.
yeah, we're gonna come up with some stuff. Well, yeah, we're gonna go get some stuff for Easter basket. I'm gonna let her make her own Easter basket.
Yep.
And then
We're going to.
we gotta go to the car wash. We're gonna do that, and then we're also gonna do. We got some hot chips, some real hot chips this time, not those blue Takis that weren't that hot. They were a little hot to her, I think, but these are real hot. Well, they go in.
They weren't.
They level. There's levels of hotness, but
Why did they?
so we're gonna try those out today.
Those
And we're gonna do a video so you can see if they're hot or not. I don't know what she was just saying. What'd you say?
I said that wasn't.
Okay, so the blue Takis weren't that hot to her. She was just thirsty. Wink, wink. Anyway, we'll catch up with y'all. Yeah.
Hi. Barbies. New Barbies. Christmas Barbies. Ugh, I have a lot of Barbies. Hello. Ouch. My arm actually hurt. So, not gonna be doing that. This is my dad's truck. So, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh la la. I'm backwards. I'm gonna stay like this for an hour. Okay, not really for an hour and a half. Not gonna be for like an hour and a half. I got something I can. Can you guys help? Do you see anything? I feel it. I feel it. No, there's nothing. If a coffee does it, I will be so happy. I'm going to be more happy than ever. I never be very happy. So, let's up. I'm going over here louder.
Did that scare you? It did, didn't it? I hope you got that on film. Alright, you can stay there and let me just. I'll let you go through the front seat. Backing out? Yeah, I'm about to.
Okay, and now let's get to doing the car wash. Mommy buckle. Just look at my dad.
I thought you were already buckled.
Okay, we're ready. We're going inside this big blue cave.
Just turn this way. Alright, so we're going through the car wash.
No, it's a snow place.
The snow place?
Yeah.
Oh, that's snow.
Look
Look at all the snow.
Snow place. It's not a car.
Oh, this is the snow place, not the car wash. All that noise you hear is not a car wash, it's just the snow hitting the car hard.
It's not a car wash. It's a snow car.
The snow what? The snow car wash? I don't know if I want to wash the truck in snow. It means it's going to be dirtier. What?
No freaking with that.
So I'm letting Amara right up front while we go through the wash. The snow wash, as he calls it, but it's a regular wash. Regular wash.
No snow wash.
Oh, snow wash. Snow wash.
Regular snow wash.
Yeah. You're putting all this snow in the car? That's not helping, that's making it worse. It was already dirty, we gotta make it clean. But they're saying that the tires real nice. Last time it didn't shine them up that good. Well, not this one, though. I'm not sitting here to dry it off, I'm just gonna dry it off. As the sun is out, we'll see. So the question is, did Amara have some good video footage while I was cleaning the car. Did she do a good video?
Or no?
If you saw that part, give it a thumbs up. If you like what she was putting down, we'll see. Oh, yeah. What's up? What else you put in there? Did you get the blue ones or pink ones?
Birthday coming.
Birthday cake ones? What's that? You don't want any of the pink ones? Whop? Man, you don't even eat Whoppers, would you? Alright, let's go. Next stop. Think we got enough stuff? Think we got enough stuff? So do you think we got enough stuff? No.
Too much.
Maybe not too much. For 2 people, so. What up, yo? B-STEEZY and the Heezy. And Amara munching on the donut, feeding her face. What she got? What you getting her drink?
A strawberry donut.
Yep, she got strawberry frosted donut with sprinkles. I just got a nice black coffee, got some water. This is how we starting our day. You think it's gonna do it? Yeah, that's how we starting our day. She's got to go back with her mommy today. School tomorrow.
I'm going to go to California.
You going next week? I think. I don't know when you're going. Maybe you're leaving this weekend. Whenever. The day you come back, I'll get you
I'm
back.
spring break.
Yeah, your spring break. You're going. So. I'm scooting in. So yeah, we gotta hang out here for a little bit while she eats that donut. And then we're gonna figure out where else we're gonna go next. This Sunday, so I just gotta do a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Yeah, we might go look at some clothes.
For me and you, at Bill's, where you found that spider.
That big nasty spider. You let me touch it too. You let me touch it. It was on my hand, man. It could have bit me. Next thing I've been climbing on walls like Spider-Man. But anyway, we'll catch up with y'all in a bit.